What if I told you the secret to living a longer, healthier life might already be in your kitchen? Did you know the longest living people on Earth eat meals that don't just taste incredible, but are scientifically proven to extend life? Imagine starting each day with more energy, a sharper mind, and better health, all by cooking smarter. In this video, we'll dive deep into the secrets of Blue Zone cooking, explore what makes these recipes so powerful, and give you step-by-step guidance on how to make them a part of your life. Plus, we'll share mouth-watering recipes to get you started. If you've ever wondered why some people live to 100 or more, the answer lies in 5 regions known as the Blue Zones: Okinawa, Japan; Sardinia, Italy; Ikaria, Greece; Nicoya, Costa Rica; and Loma Linda, California. These regions have the highest concentration of centenarians, people who live to 100 years old or beyond. Their secret? A lifestyle rooted in wholesome, simple, nutrient-rich foods. Their diets rely heavily on fresh, whole foods like vegetables, legumes, and healthy fats, minimizing processed and sugary foods. These foods lower inflammation, boost heart health, enhance brain function, and improve digestion. But it's not just about what they eat, it's about how they eat. Meals are enjoyed slowly, often with family and friends, creating a holistic approach to health. Now think about the average modern diet: fast food, frozen dinners, and sugary snacks. These foods leave us feeling tired, bloated, and at risk for chronic illnesses like diabetes, obesity, and heart disease. What if you could fix that? Imagine replacing unhealthy choices with meals that give your body everything it needs to thrive: lack of energy, digestive issues, and weight gain. Adopting Blue Zone-inspired cooking helps reset your body, providing balanced nutrition without sacrificing flavor. Here's the best part: Blue Zone meals are affordable, easy to prepare, and use ingredients you can find in your local grocery store. You'll not only feel better, but start to see long-term benefits for your health. Imagine eating a single meal that fuels your energy, reduces your risk of disease, and even enhances your mood. The Blue Zone diet is simple, effective, and delicious. Here's how it works: plant-based eating. 95% of their diet comes from plants, with a focus on beans, whole grains, vegetables, and fruits. Healthy fats: olive oil, nuts, and seeds are staples, offering heart-healthy benefits. Moderate portions. Meals are balanced, emphasizing quality over quantity. Minimal sugar and meat. Sugar is consumed sparingly, and meat is an occasional treat rather than a daily habit. This diet provides all the essential nutrients your body needs while avoiding the inflammation caused by processed foods. Your heart becomes stronger, your gut functions better, and your brain stays sharp. Now let's get cooking. Here are 2 simple recipes inspired by Blue Zone traditions that you can start using today. Sardinian chickpea salad. Ingredients: chickpeas, red onions, parsley, olive oil, and lemon juice. Why it works: high in protein and fiber, this dish keeps your digestive system healthy and supports heart health. Okinawan sweet potato stir-fry. Ingredients: sweet potatoes, garlic, ginger, kale, and sesame oil. Why it works: sweet potatoes are packed with beta-carotene, which boosts immunity and supports skin health, while kale adds vital antioxidants. These recipes are not just about feeding your body, they're about nourishing your soul. Did you know that adding a pinch of turmeric to your meals can fight inflammation, or that a daily handful of nuts can reduce your risk of heart disease by 50%? Blue Zone cooking is full of these powerful ingredients, and today, we're revealing a few you'll want to add to your pantry. Beans, lentils, chickpeas, and black beans provide plant-based protein and fiber for sustained energy. Herbs and spices: oregano, rosemary, and turmeric offer anti-inflammatory benefits and flavor without extra salt. Olive oil. A staple in Ikaria and Sardinia, it's a heart-healthy fat that's perfect for drizzling over salads or cooking. These small additions can make a big difference in how you feel, and they're easy to include in your favorite meals. Imagine waking up every morning feeling energized, focused, and ready to take on the day. Blue Zone cooking isn't just about adding years to your life, it's about adding life to your years. For best results, start small. Try one new recipe a week, or swap out a processed snack for a handful of nuts or fresh fruit. Every small change adds up. Benefits for your body, heart, lower cholesterol and blood pressure, brain improved focus and memory, gut better digestion and a healthier microbiome, skin and hair enhanced radiance from antioxidant-rich foods. If you stay consistent, you'll not only feel better, you'll see the difference too. If this video inspired you, don't keep it to yourself. Like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on living a healthier, longer life. Let us know in the comments which recipe you're excited to try, and we'll see you in the next video.